My name is Rick Renner, and today I'm going to show you something very special from the shelves of our Moscow TV studio set. But first, I want to quote to you Matthew 28:19, where Jesus gave us the Great Commission. He said, "Go ye therefore and teach all nations." That verse was first put in me as a child. We attended a Baptist church, a wonderful Baptist church, that regularly said we have a responsibility to fulfill the Great Commission. I can even remember as a young child, about the age of 5, we each had little banks. They looked like houses, and on the front it was written, "Our birthdays help build Baptist homes." And even on our birthdays, we used whatever we received. If we received money, we gave a part of it for the construction of Baptist homes, because that was orphanage work, it was helping people who had less than us, and it was a part of fulfilling the Great Commission. My point is, from the time that I was a child, my mind and my heart has been on the Great Commission. What I'm doing today is a fulfillment of what was put in me as a child, and today we are teaching all nations. Thank you for being a partner and helping us to do that. But when my childhood pastor became very elderly, I invited him to Moscow. I wanted him to see the fruit of his labor produced through me. He invested so much in me, I wanted him to see what had been produced through my life, because it will also be credited to his account. And I asked him to preach in our Moscow church, and when he stood up to preach, he said, "Rick, today you're fulfilling the Great Commission, but you've been thinking about the Great Commission since the time you were a child, and today I want to give you a reminder of how long your mind has been on the Great Commission." And to my amazement, he pulled out a surprise. And guess what it was? He pulled out that little metal house, which I had when I was a child. I didn't even know that it still existed. It's a bank, and just like I remembered, it says, "Our birthdays help our Baptist homes." And when he gave this to me, he said, "Rick, what you're doing today is not new. Your mind has been there a long time. From the time you were a child, you understood we were to go into all the world and teach all nations." And today, this little metal bank given to me by my childhood pastor is my reminder that we are called to touch the whole world with the gospel of Jesus Christ.
Wow, wasn't that a great video? My friends, would you please subscribe, like, and comment under this video? Please do that. It will help us reach more people with the gospel of Jesus Christ.